All right, let's see what Alan has got served up for Doug Kalitta here in Q2. Of course, Clay Milliken. Look at that, 372.0, 338.17 miles an hour. And now Doug Kalitta takes over the #1 spot. Here we go. 391, 329 miles an hour fast. Jack Beckman knocks caps off the top. And the Peak Camaro is your new #1 qualifier. They've been fast this year. Got to string them together. All right, both of these drivers moving up and in the right direction. Let's see what they got. 6:54.2 at 2:09.92 for Erica. And Erica goes from number 15 to number 1. You got a new #1 qualifier. Erica Ender, 6:54.2, 2:09.92. .106 to the 60-foot clock for Angie Smith in the Denzo machine. Watch Angie. Bang. 673.8, 200 miles an hour.
Way to
Race
go.
fans, how about it? Angie Smith